Well, intense weather hit the national capital on Friday with nearly 77 rainfall and winds gusting up to 80 km per hour. Now, the India Meteorological Department has raised its severe weather warning for Delhi and also warned of isolated heavy rainfall in parts of Haryana, Western UP, as well as Chandigarh. Now, according to the data provided by the Weather Department, nearly 77 rainfall was recorded at the main Safdarjung Observatory in just a few hours early on Friday, while it was about 78 at Palam. There were winds gusting up to 40 to even 80 km per hour in various parts of the city, along with thunderstorm and the rain that fell over the city. The weather department says that this freaky weather was really brought by this sudden incursion of moisture and winds from both the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal, which converged over Delhi and caused this storm. There were also strong wind movement. There was a cyclonic circulation over Rajasthan, two parts over Rajasthan, northeast and southwest. There was another cyclonic circulation over Madhya Pradesh as well. So all these systems together triggered this intense weather over Delhi. Apart from that, this has brought the much needed respite from the prevailing heat conditions over the national capital. Remember, the temperatures were hovering around 36 to 39 degrees Celsius for the past few days. Now, as per the latest assessment, the temperature was recorded at around 18 degrees Celsius at Palam, around 19 degrees Celsius at Safdarjung. So definitely a much needed relief from the soaring temperatures. Also, remember, the weather department had forecasted an intense weather disturbance which was expected to impact the western Himalayan region. IMD had warned of a good amount of rainfall over not just Delhi but various parts of northwest India. In the last 24 hours, we have also seen some amount of snowfall in upper reaches of Uttarakhand and Jammu and Kashmir. Now, what is the latest forecast? Now, according to the weather department, this weather is likely to continue for at least 24 to 48 hours. But overall, they have extended the light to moderate rainfall warnings for Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Bihar, West Bengal, Sikkim, and even Orissa and Madhya Pradesh till about 6th of May. So during this period, the temperatures will also not surge as much, and there will be relief from the heat wave, because this thunderstorm related activity has definitely provided that much needed break from the soaring temperatures. It's also important for us to understand that thunderstorms are very common during this period, especially periods of intense heat at peak summer in May, because of which the thunderstorms develop and provide a break from the heat wave conditions. Also, to give you a recap of the weather forecast for May, the India Met Department had predicted above normal rainfall over the entire country, around 109% above the long period average. So that is good, considering May is the peak of summer season in India. Although 1 to 3 days of heat wave conditions are expected in various parts of the country, some states like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh may see at least 1 to 4 heat wave days more than usual during this month. As of now, we can all see that the weather is really pleasant across the entire city, and the rain has definitely brought the temperatures down. But the weather department urges caution and has issued advisory in terms of the gusty winds and thunderstorms during this period.